Hello everyone! I'm sitting here in the Microsoft Nerd Center at MIT for ComSciCon 2013. ComSciCon is the Communicating Science Conference for graduate students, and I'm really excited to meet a lot of people who want to improve their ability to communicate their science to people like you. Let's go on a tour of where I'll be hanging out for the next 2.5 days. If there's one thing I've learned from the design of this building, it's that orange is a very nerdy color. This is our lovely view. Look at these cool bags that we're getting! So our conference started at 8:30 a.m. this morning, and it's 6 p.m. now, so you'd think that we'd be done for the day. But no. Tonight we have a write-a-thon from 7 to 10 p.m., which will be super fun, but also super exhausting. We're going to be writing blog articles about the scientific topic of our choosing. I think it will be a lot of fun, but I know I'm going to need a lot of sugar and caffeine to get through it. Fortunately, that's being provided for us. So this is some of the candy that the organizers will be feeding us to keep us awake tonight while we write. By the way, if you're interested in learning some of the things I've learned at the conference, you can look up the hashtag ComSciCon on Twitter. Here I am at day 2 of ComSciCon, bright and early in the morning. Oh my goodness, yesterday was a lot of fun and extremely exhausting. I'm a little bit tired right now. I think my favorite activity yesterday were the pop talks. A pop talk is a 1-minute description of your research aimed at a general audience. This means that you aren't allowed to use any jargon. Yes, we had signs to hold up to let people know when they were using too many technical terms. Fortunately, we also had signs to hold up to let people know when they were being awesome. The pop talks were such a great way to get an overview of everyone's research, and I definitely learned a lot by observing everyone's approach. So, would you like to hear a pop talk? Actually, I don't care if you want to or not. I'm going to show you anyways. Here's my improved pop talk based on the things that I learned yesterday. I didn't get to record my pop talk yesterday because we had a lot of revising and rewriting to do for our science writing workshop. So I'd better get it recorded today because this is the last day of the conference. I'd like you to take a moment and imagine a stack of paper and how you can peel back a single page from it. I'm working with a material called molybdenum disulfide that looks just like a stack of paper on the microscopic scale. I can actually peel back a single layer of it using Scotch tape and make a working electronic device out of it. And a single layer of molybdenum disulfide is only 3 atoms thick. That means that this device is truly two-dimensional. And it turns out that in 2 dimensions, you end up with physics that you just don't see in our normal 3-dimensional world. This means that I can make devices that interact with light and electricity in new and exciting ways. Hey everyone, I'm here at my poster for the physics factor at ComSciCon, and I'm having a very meta experience because you are watching me watch myself on a video. So ComSciCon 2013 has come to an end, and what do a bunch of science grad students do at the end of a conference except go to the Boston Museum of Science? I'm so glad I had a chance to meet all of these people that are so interested and engaged in learning how to talk to the general public about what they do. It's been a wonderful experience. Thank you organizers, thank you attendees, and thank you panelists. It's been a great experience. Now to go play with science. This was a great experience. I'm so glad I met all of these people who are so interested and engaged in outreach to the public, explaining science to the public. Let's try that one again.